Hello everyone. Now you have to just get the beads and then arrange your hair like this in this way, and then further you need to arrange it in this manner. Get the comb and then keep on proceeding as showing in the video, and now you need to just do it and tuck them as in this way. You have to just do the partitions and then secure your hair through braids like this, and then you need to make a lovely bun like this and then arrange your hair in this manner. Further you need to get it beautifully tucked like this and then secure it with the help of this beautiful lovely accessory. Isn't it cool? Here you need to just secure your hair like this, get them out, and then what are we gonna do? You have to make a beautiful bun like this. Isn't it amazing? Now you have to just do it this manner. Further you have to get the ribbon, and then what we need to do, you have to secure it beautifully like this. This is gonna look even more pretty and amazing. Isn't it looking cool? Here you need to just secure your hair like this. You have to just secure it like this. This is gonna look even more pretty and amazing. Thank you guys.